The best gold-backed IRA is a great way to save for retirement, and you should not be afraid to invest in gold. That said, there are a lot of people who are not sure how to open a gold-backed IRA. Maybe you haven't heard of the term before, or you have trouble understanding the process. Whatever the case may be, have no fear, because it is quite easy to acquire. A gold-backed IRA is a type of IRA that uses gold as the basis for its investment portfolio. This type of IRA is different from a regular IRA because the gold is not used as an investment in the traditional sense. Instead, the gold is used as a hedge against the market's volatility. This type of IRA is a good option for those who are not sure what type of investments they would like to make. This type of IRA is also a good option for those looking for a type of IRA that offers a lower amount of risk. Since the 2008 financial crisis, the value of gold has skyrocketed. This has made it a very attractive option for people looking to make the move towards investing in something other than stocks, bonds, and real estate. In order to make this type of investment, you need to open a gold-backed IRA account at a reputable gold company. This will allow you to invest in gold through a self-directed IRA account. Click the link in the description to find out more and download your free gold IRA kit.